So I'm back here at the custom shop. Going to get the exhaust installed today. Just to give you guys an idea of the stock exhaust sound, I'm gonna do a quick cold start for you. Well, it's not cold. I'm gonna say it's a warm start because I've been driving. Let me see. This is the stock exhaust. Rev it a couple times for y'all. I don't got nobody to rev it for me. So I'll do my best to try to catch the center for you. It's a couple of revs. I'm not trying to get any complaints from the residential people over here, you know. But yeah, I'm here waiting, staying hydrated. Always stay hydrated. Water is the key to life. But yeah, I'm here waiting. Had a 10 o'clock appointment, but I was late as fuck. So now I gotta wait. You know, she's dirty as hell.
Everything all right, buddy?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Almost, buddy. We're gonna get you in there, all right, bro?
No problem.
It's just in the interim, we had to get something up there. We were waiting a little bit, but we'll get you in there.
There's no problem. It's my fault. I shouldn't have been late.
Don't worry about it. I just want to make sure you're cool. If you need anything, let me know.
Thank
all right,
you.
brother. You're welcome. No problem. Beautiful truck.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wheels dirty as hell. Of course. That brake dust is crazy. Rear brake dust is not a problem. See, still looks nice and semi-clean. But over here, you can see that brake dust. But yeah, that was a little before semi-cold start and a couple of revs for you. And now I'm just waiting. Got this Camaro here. He's on Instagram if you want to check out this Big Blue 6. Now I'm just here waiting. I don't know, I'm never a fan of the Camaros. These things are small as hell, man. Small as hell. You can't even see out of them. You ever driven a Camaro? You can't see out of them damn things. Alright, whenever they get done, I'll pull into the shop. I'll drive around to somewhere where there's no houses and all that. We'll do some revs so you guys can hear the new Mopar exhaust. Alright, so this is the old exhaust. The stock exhaust, rear mufflers, suitcase muffler, that'd be in the middle. This is what suppresses a lot of the sound. And the stock exhaust was all one welded piece. They had to cut it up to get it off. Durango is getting the new one installed as we speak. So, got the Mopar exhaust installed. I'm gonna give you a quick start. And that is the Mopar Performance exhaust. I thought it was a minor difference, but no sir. That motherfucker is loud as shit. It is a way bigger difference than stock. If you want to get an exhaust for your Durango SRT, I suggest you get the Mopar one, because this thing looks awesome with the chrome tips. He did a good job on them. Pretty even. And it sounds crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. My wife is in the car. Let me have her start it up. Start it up. Now, but yeah, Mopar Performance exhaust. Got it done at the custom shop. Great guys, great prices. Come check them out in Astoria, Queens. Now I'm gonna drive and see how it sounds on the road. Roll the windows down so you can hear the exhaust real quick. We're gonna put it in sport mode. Alright. Yeah, babe, it's recording now, so just hold it out the front of the windshield. Don't cover the sound.
Holy shit.
people.
Okay. Look at my hair.
Yeah. But when you're not stepping on it, it's still tame, not too loud. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright, y'all. That's it. I'll see you on the next video.